Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is The Daily Rage. Mariano posted a question yesterday. He said, my chart doesn't show any Dragonfly dojis. Is there a way to get that? Okay, so let's talk about what is a Dragonfly doji because it's a super important signal for you to pay attention to. I'm actually going to use the same exact example as I did in yesterday's video, just because it's such a perfect specimen, if you want to call it that. So right here, this is a Dragonfly doji. So it's not something that you put onto your charts. It's just a type of candle. We know that a doji is when there's just a teensy little line across instead of a body. In other words, like the body of the candle would be this whole green thing or this little red thing, green thing, etc. So a doji is when there's just a little tiny line across. What does that mean? It means that it started here, the price, this candle opened here, went all the way down, 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 down to the bottom of this wick to here. And then before that candle closed, worked itself all the way back up. The reason it's called a dragonfly doji is that it kind of resembles a dragonfly in that if you think about these are the wings up top here across, and then the body of the dragonfly goes down as the wick. So that is how to find it on your chart. Anything that looks like that is a dragonfly doji. Now, the more important part is to know what to do with it. What the dragonfly doji is telling us is it is a bullish indication. And let's think about why. If the price has gone all the way down, this whole wick length, all the way down here, and then within that same 2 minutes worked itself all the way back up, that's a pretty strong indication of like, hey, let's go higher. So it is considered bullish. In this particular case, it did do that. It, went right on up from there, which was lovely yesterday. Now, does it always do that? No. But that is the signal that you can take from a dragonfly doji is like, okay, we're looking for it to go higher. And obviously, you want to confirm and make sure that it is going higher before you decide to go long. In this case, that would have worked out very well for you. So thanks as always for the question. I always appreciate when you guys ask for the clarifications that you need. As far as my trading today, the NASDAQ was an absolute disaster. Let's see if we can go over to today's price action. And like this is right now, a little later in the day, but it didn't look so hot even after the open. It kind of chopped around for a bit. There's my P&L on the screen for you. I couldn't really get much going, so I just kind of called it after a while. It did open up a little bit more later in the day, but I was already done trading for the day at that time. Hope it went well for you. I'll look forward to seeing those of you in the live trading room tomorrow morning. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.